My radio. My radio. My radio. Aren't you going to fix it? Nothing ever gets fixed around here. Just a whole bunch of pies and anchovies.
Are you my son?
Go away.
I'd be very proud to believe so.
I don't ever talk to strangers.
You're not my son.
I'm the radio repairman, Mrs. Celia. Well, then fix it.
Here's your girl.
What's wrong
over
with
there.
Dead people talking. It's right here. Do you see it? Yes,
Mrs. Clelia?
I see it.
My name is William Kinderman.
Yes.
I just knew you weren't really a radio repairman.
Would you help me,
That's a
please?
telephone I'm holding.
What about my radio?
Pardon me?
Don't feel bad.
I said my radio. Aren't you going to fix it?
It would be really hard to tell the difference.
Nothing ever gets fixed around here. Just a
You
bunch
have
of
a noble
pies and
face.
anchovies.
You will do well.
Go away. Go away. I don't ever talk to strangers.
I'm the radio repairman, Mrs. Clelia.
Well, fix it.
Oh, what's wrong with it?
Dead people talking. Right here. Do you see it?
Yes, I see it.
I just knew you weren't really a radio repairman. That's a telephone I'm holding. It's all right. A lot of people wouldn't know the difference
I have
either.
dreams of a road
It's all
and
right.
falling down a long flight of steps.
You have a
A
very
light
kind face.
shall shine upon this day,
You will do well.
for the Lord has been born to us,
You will do well.
and he is called Wonderful.
Just a bunch of
God,
pies
the
and
Prince of
anchovies.
Peace. Peace I give you, my peace I leave you. As the world gives, do I give to you. Let not your heart be troubled. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is the defender of my life.